the Rosenforce 2. 2 tons of Swedish iron. She doesn't ask for permission, she asks for torque. Today's operation, stress test. Dry drilling versus the kitchen protocol. We are drilling 8 holes with each bit. 10mm mild steel, 12mm bits. Patient A goes in dry, no anesthesia. Patient B gets the cooking oil injection. We pause surgery to inspect the tip wear at hole 1, 4 and hole 8. Let's see how fast the tissue dies without lubrication. After first hole, there's a slight peripheral damage, but looks pretty okay. After 4 holes, the edge is holding up pretty okay. There is damage on the tip, on the peripheral points of the drill bit. It is holding up decent. What you can see are that the chips are blue now, which means there is more heat building up on hole 4. Before, the chips were beautiful in color, but now there is discoloration going on. So let's keep on drilling. Time of death, hole 8. Look at the peripheral damage. It is a bit chipped on the cutting edge. This drill bit has taken a massive beating. It even lost coloration on the sides a bit higher up. But then again, this was a real true test. First hole, we do have some beautiful chips. The edge is looking good, so we'll keep on going. This is after 4 holes. It is holding up really good. There's basically no damage. Peripheral parts are holding up really good. Slight damage just in the tip, but hey, a lot better. As you can see, the chips are beautiful. We have very few discolorated chips. This would be one of them. And as you can see, the damage on the tip after 8 holes is very minimal. This is an extreme difference. I'll show you both. And here's the difference with oil and without. There is a lot less wear on the one with oil. Just look at the difference 8 holes make. The dry bit died of thermal shock. The outer corners are rounded over. You see damage on this part of the drill, which is not visible here due to less friction. And the cooking oil bit, well, it survived the procedure with 0 complications. It's ready for the next patient. Cooking oil, it's for free. It's available and it saves your tool from an early grave. Just clean it up because, you know, otherwise your workshop will smell like French fries. Not that I mind. I'm the steel surgeon. Doctor's orders. Never drill dry. Class dismissed.